What is going on YouTube? Hated back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we need to talk about the two recent changes within our technical indicators here. We've been tracking what was originally some sort of symmetrical triangle, or sorry, it was more so like some sort of descending triangle on Solana's 4-hour charts here, kind of drawn something like this where we were filling in this gap here, and then unfortunately we broke through it. But it was so early because this is a 4-hour trade here that I was like, all right, no. This isn't time to get in. We were looking for a bullish break on one of those crypto on Solana here. We were looking for this to happen. It didn't. So it's like, okay, we don't necessarily have this descending triangle. Maybe something bigger is forming. And since then, we've been consolidating, and we are now forming what appears to be a descending fractal here, filling in the gap, continuously correcting lower, some sort of bull flag, just downwards trend that we have, which is very good because this will ultimately help us know when that buying opportunity is. And we might have actually hit that because with us at the moving average here, we're now going to consolidate. And what we're truly waiting for is a confirmation closure of 4-hour above price ceiling here for us to buy in and long, which is what I'm excited for. We're also looking at XRP, which is literally moments away. I'm talking maybe even hours away from seeing a major break or pump in any direction on XRP any minute now here, which I'm very excited for. I want to explain more about that. You can see what's currently forming now. We have major wicks. I mean huge wicks, and we only see this when there's a battle between the bulls and the bears, and it typically causes a market reversal, a big swing. Look at this, what's happening right now. Look at these candles here. We've had 1, 2, practically 3 to 4 days of candles that are just way uncertain. You can see the uncertainty here. Look at the size of this thing. Huge wick up, huge wick down, closes right where we are. Huge wick down, huge wick up, closes right where we are. Huge wick up, huge wicks down, closes right where we are. Well, last time we saw that was right here in the beginning of this symmetrical triangle that was forming here. And you'll notice we had similar candle wicks multiple times, 1, 2, 3, 4 times here in the past. What happened after a major correction? It usually marks out the bottom, the end of this dump. You can see major dump to the downside here. We see tons of uncertainty, immediate reversal to the upside here. Well, that same thing is happening right now. So what we're looking for is an immediate dump to the up or pump to the upside, or immediate dump to the downside. Regardless of which direction we move to, regardless, we're going to be able to get in on that because I have been patiently waiting to make another trade on FAIRDESK here. As I've told you guys before, not only do I post my trades early, different than the ones on FAIRDESK on my Patreon, but I'm also posting trades on FAIRDESK for you guys to copy. I just wanted a new way to start the year off, doing some different stuff here. And you can see FAIRDESK, not only do they have a sign-up bonus, so if you deposit money into here, you can earn as high as 100 grand in free bonus money to trade around with here. They have 65, 2,000, 100, and many others, depending on what you're, comfortable with, which you can earn free cryptocurrency here. They then have a copy trading account. We have multiple people that are already following me on this copy trade, which is super cool. I like the transparency here. We already have a position posted, you can see right here, that we took advantage of, and I'm ready and patiently waiting for the next one to be on Solana and XRP, and it's only a matter of time before we see that here, but you can take advantage of it by literally just following my trades that are posted for everyone to see consistently on FAIRDESK's copy trading platform. So definitely go check out FAIRDESK down in the description below. Sign up, get your free cryptocurrency. Follow me by typing in Crypto TV, and it's that simple, and you'll be able to follow my trades here because that's what we're patiently waiting for. So with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, to start off, I'm focusing on XRP. As you guys know, jumping to the weekly charts here, lots of crazy stuff going on. If you notice, we have been forming an enormous kind of symmetrical triangle here. Higher lows, lower highs. Major swings up, major swings down, up, down, up. Here we are down. What's next? We're looking for a reversal back up. You can see each time we fall, first time was at 47 cents, 48, 50, and then we're at 50, a little over 50 right here. Each time we head up, we're at 75, then we're at 68, then we're at 63, and we're looking for the next one here as we're filling in an enormous symmetrical triangle. Now, what's interesting is with us being at the bottom here, it's only a matter of time before we see a swing. Not nearly as high as ones in the past, but we could easily see a 58, 59 cent confirmation here. Problem is, you can see with this price ceiling drawn, we're right at the weekly moving average here. It's acting very problematic, and that's why we're having a bit of problems breaking through that. And you can see when I zoom out right here, with this right here, you can see we now have a much smaller symmetrical triangle playing out, and we are moments away from seeing that break happen real soon. And that's when I plan on entering my copy trade off for you guys here. It's very simple. All I'm looking for is closure of a daily, or honestly, even on an hourly or 4-hour chart just above this major resistance here. If I pull ourselves to the 4-hour charts, you'll notice we have closed above it. You know, that's what's going to make things a bit harder here if we want to go that route here. We have seen some bull traps in the past, but I guess we're going to have to wait more so for the daily for us to just close above here, although we might just see one daily candle explode to the upside. So we'll definitely have to play things by ear. But regardless, that's what we're waiting for, and it could be as early as today, and that's kind of my main push for you guys, is to just pay the heck attention to these markets. If we break through this resistance here, it's game on for a rally to the upside. And that's what I'm waiting for, because it could happen as early as today. Just keep your eyes peeled on these, because these major wicks ultimately end in reversal. It confirms and pretty much always causes some sort of big rally of volume to happen. On a Friday, who knows? It's definitely possible, but we are coming to the end of this here, and sooner or later, we're going to have to make a decision as to whether we pump or whether we dump, and we're going to get in on that because we've been paying attention to this early. Same thing with Solana here. Solana's in some sort of descending fractal. We've been tracking this. Lower high, lower lows, filling in the gap here. At some point, it is going to bottom off. That could be with these moving averages right here. And what we're going to look for is a reversal up. It could even send us lower. It's very possible that this could continue to scale us lower down to this support here. The other thing to consider is we have a price floor that we're currently retesting, which is right here. So if we hold out on this this moving average right here, this green band, if we can hold this fairly well, that'd be lovely. I don't think so, but you know, right where that moving average is, we hold out here, we could reverse out of that, and we'll buy in once we get that confirmation above price ceiling here. We close the 4-hour above this, we're going to buy in and long to the upside. So just a few trades that are pretty easy to capitalize on if and when you're ready. So just keep your eyes peeled on those. As for Ethereum here, we broke out of a massive bull flag, something that was so freaking easy to call. This we waited for, we knew, we anticipated major bull flag forming here, major breakout to the upside here. There is something going on here that I can't figure out just yet because it's so early. I don't know. This is like not any sort of technical indicator just yet. So you're going to have to let this be a little bit more patient. There's clearly a floor that it's trying to hold above. So if we close below this, we could correct to the downside here. That's a possibility. So I guess I'll leave it like that. Bitcoin looks pretty good too. You can see here, we corrected back down, clear rejection off here. That's why I was a little worried to get in on something like this. And here we are falling to the downside here. I don't know. I'm going to let things pan out. Again, Bitcoin, I've been saying this, is on the back burner. I am not ready yet to put money into Bitcoin, but I would start off with XRP and Solana in the #1 position here. Maybe XRP first, Solana second, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and then the S&P. Seeing its reversal here. Things look primed for correction. I've told you that yesterday, that everything can fall. S&P is so overbought, or is on the overbought level, it needs to fall, and it's already starting to take place. Look at the size of that candle as of yesterday. Bitcoin needed a fall. It's already happening. Ethereum needed a fall. Already happening. Hasn't happened yet for XRP or Solana, so it's very possible that we could begin a descent, and what that means is we could see XRP break down as Solana is already starting to break down. So it's only a matter of time before we see that. And that's kind of just what I wanted to let you guys in on. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notification, make sure to join Patreon and FAIRDESK with the links down in the description. And I'll see you in tomorrow's episode. Peace.